Hey guys, today we're hanging up a magnetic knife holder and we're just gonna show you guys how we did it. As you can see, you got two screws, you got a bracket, and you got the magnetic piece right here. And we're gonna show you how we hung it up. First, you take the bracket and you mark out the distance between the two holes. Next, you would take a hammer and make a small notch with the nail where you made the markings. Next, you would take a drill and you would drill a hole for the screw where you made your notches. Next, you will take the bracket and you will tighten the screws hand tight into your holes. And then, if it fits correctly, you just screw them in. Make sure it's all the way tight. Both of them. Make sure not to over tighten it either. Just make sure it's sitting snug. And next, all you do is you put the magnetic strip right over the bracket and just make sure it fits snug. And then you just attach all of your utensils to the magnetic strip.